Okay, so today's venture is getting this out and putting in a new ignition switch. There are one here, one on the opposing side, and then of course we gotta unsnap it all the plastic bits that are gonna be fun to pull apart and try not to break. And basically just, I'm gonna start on most likely from there once I've got the screws out. Move my way over here. Do this side here. And then it should pop all off and I should have access to pulling the key fob. That's not right, key fob is the entry. But this guy basically, it's like every once in a while you go to start it and it just doesn't do anything. Wiggle the key and it starts. So I knew it was this guy, and 50 bucks later, I think it is, I'm hopefully gonna figure this out and fix it. But I'll pop it all apart for us and show you what it looks like inside, then we'll go from there. Alright, so I ended up having to pull this down to be able to get out this guy, and there was only one on the bottom. I said two. That was based on other cars and I didn't even look. So there's one here, and those two I showed you underneath. You just gotta think about this little guy, which is your mechanism for locking this in place, right? And basically what I did right now was, this is my prize, right? So I unplugged the bottom because this one here was giving me trouble when I tried to pull this out this way here, right? Because I just want to pull this out of here. If I can. Woohoo! And unplug this guy. There's some wiring that's holding me back right now. I have a feeling, there it is. It's this plug right here. So I'm going to undo that plug on this side, and that'll free up my little wiggle room that I need to figure out how to unclasp this one. I unclasped this one, which is down here, opened up the door, and it went ding 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 with no key in, because this is probably the guy that lets you know when you're leaving your key in. I just had to figure out how to undo this plug after I undo that one up top here. And that's the one that signals to here and lets you know when you're leaving your key in your car. Alright, so I'll undo that. I'll show you from there. Okay, so this little lovely blue guy right here is the back side. I was able to just get enough length that I could pull it out, because this is where the actual, this, see if I can get a better look at it. Right there. That is the release, and you couldn't really see it because it was on the interior of this towards here, and obviously I pulled it out and I twisted it and unplugged it. So basically should be able to unplug this now. Oh nope, it clicked back in. It did its job. So I just gotta, you see that little fin right here? Gotta push on the fin, pull it out, and then I gotta figure out how it unclicks from the other one that runs to this side here, because I couldn't unplug it at the key fob, or key, where the key goes in. Yeah, using all sorts of brain power now.